If my garment has a sleeve and has different lengths, I'll go ahead and print the whole pattern piece, print and assemble the whole pattern piece, regardless of the length that I'm doing. And what I'll do is just simply fold up the pattern piece to the line or the length that I want it, and keep the whole piece intact. And that way, if I change my mind later and I want to come back and I want to change up the sleeve length on another make, I don't have to totally reprint and tape together anything. I've already got it right here. When you do that, you might run into a few little issues. One of which is this, this extra little piece that you see on sleeve patterns. This is actually your seam allowance. And the reason that it sticks out like this is because it gives you room to fold that piece up to the inside and maintain the elasticity in the sleeve. It won't be too tight. It'll have the give you need. So if you are, if you've printed your whole piece and you've decided that you're going to do a longer length of a sleeve, just take these little tabs and just fold them to the back. And that way you can print out your longer sleeve, and these little nubbins, these little pieces will not get in the way of your scissors or your rotary cutter. This is something that works for me, and I hope that it works for you.